Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Fidelity's employee stock purchase plan, ESPP. All right, if you've been wondering how to use Fidelity's employee stock purchase plan, this video is definitely for you. It's going to be a really quick one. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to use this. So let's get straight into the video. And the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Fidelity account. You can do that on the Fidelity website, or you can log in on your mobile device just through the Fidelity mobile app. And once you're logged into your account, you just want to click on investment products, and then you're going to choose ESPP. Here you're going to initiate the ESPP enrollment process, and then you're going to need to provide the required information for the setup. Of course, that's going to include employer's details. And then once that's done, just choose the ESPP option and then confirm the details. Make sure everything is accurate. And once the plan is set up, you can monitor the ESPP activities from there. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Fidelity's employee stock purchase plan. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next